Hey everyone, so today we'll learn about how to convert centimeters to meters. So for example, convert 100 cm to meters. 1 cm is equal to 0.01 meters. So then multiply 100 cm to 0.01 meters. So it would be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So it would be 1 meter. Next is convert 3 miles to feet. So 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So 5,280 feet times 3. 0, 24, 3 times 2, 6, plus 2, 8, 5 times 3 is equal to 50. So the answer would be 15,840. So our next example would be convert 10 yards into feet. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So how many yards are in this one? 10. So we're gonna multiply it. So 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So the answer would be 30 feet. Because we just multiplied it. Because 1 yard is equal to 3 feet and this one is 10 yards. So moving on. The next example will be convert 7 feet into inches. So 1 feet have 12 inches. So in here we have 7 feet. So we're gonna times 12 by 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 84.